Hello, my name's Avery, and welcome to Outdoor Cooking, aka Cloud Cooking. And today we're gonna make cheddar biscuits. So right here, I got some pancake mix, and I got some melted butter. And so far, I put 2 cups of pancake mix in there, and I got some butter in there too. And I mix it. And you want to pat it down so you get all the lumps out. And then you want to add 2 cups of milk. And then you're gonna add some parsley. Where's the parsley at? Oh, there's the parsley. And you want to use 1/4 teaspoons of parsley. And then you just grab a handful of cheese and sprinkle it down there. And you mix it. Yeah, so the first time I made cheddar biscuits was at Woodruff, my job, and I got in trouble for it because I made a mess. Even though I thought I cleaned it up, apparently I made a mess. I'll probably shut up. Okay. Yeah, also, it's be looking like dough, so it's not right now, so I'm gonna add some more to it to make it look like dough. And then I'm going to move this out the way. I'm gonna bring my coals right here. And you see how white it is? What I tell you, it means it's hot. What I say, if it ain't right, it ain't. If it ain't white, it ain't right. Yeah. And then I'm gonna make it to a bowl. And I'm gonna make it to a little ball right here. Okay, guys. This is how it looks like right now. Okay, zoom in. Yeah, and 15 minutes it's gonna look brand new. So that's the reason I got my lid right here. And I got my coals right here. Yeah. I'll probably need more coals. Okay. And it should be ready in 15 minutes. Hello? Okay, the biscuits is almost done. Now I'm gonna make the butter for it, okay? So here's the recipe for the butter. You got 1 stick of butter. Where the parsley at? You got 1 stick of parsley. And you got garlic powder. So here's what's the magic gonna happen. I'm gonna use this big knife and I'm gonna cut the butter in half. It's almost half, close enough. And then this is my favorite part. I'm gonna let it melt. Can you zoom in? I'm gonna let it melt. Bro, look at this. Woo, look at this. Oh, we're making good today. And in the next video, I'm gonna make some bacon using this method, okay? Whoa, we're making good. Yeah, I got the butter right here. Look at the butter, look amazing. Yeah, and now we're gonna put it on top of the biscuits. Oh, my hand hurts so much. That's good. Okay. Hello guys, and it's done. It looks great. $5 a plate. Yeah, so next video we're gonna make cheese and potatoes.